So you know reported speech, but do you know the reporting verbs? You need to know quite a few for the B2 First Cambridge exam, and to make things more difficult, they have different grammar rules. But don't worry, my name is Toby, this is Smash English, and here is every reporting verb you need to know for the B2 First Cambridge exam. First, let's take a look at our reporting verbs. These are all of the reporting verbs that you need to know. Yes, all of them. Yes.
Accuse, apologize, advise, ask, deny, explain, offer, suggest, recommend, remind, warn, admit, say, tell.
Hey, Bruce.
Yeah, alright,
Yeah,
what do you want?
yeah. Do you want to come to mine today?
You're gonna make me record a video. I don't
No.
want to do a video.
No, I promise we're not going to shoot a video. We're going to drink, we're going to relax, and we're going to play with my pet worms. I've got loads of alcohol, loads of pet worms.
What, you got drinks? Alright, yeah, mate.
Yeah?
I'll come over
Okay,
now. All right.
perfect. All right, nice
Yeah,
one.
see you later.
Yep.
All
All
right.
right, see you later. Bye, bye. And we have the wonderful help of Bruce. Hey, what's this? You lied to me? Do you remember what you said before? No. What did I say before? What did I tell Bruce? Here is my exact speech. We are going to drink and relax and play with my pet worms. How can we report this speech using the reporting verbs say and tell? And are there any differences?
Toby told Bruce that they were going to relax, drink, and play with his pet worms. Toby said that they were going to relax, drink, and play with his pet worms. The first difference, the most important difference. After tell, we need an object pronoun. After say, we don't. You cannot say, I said Bruce, or you said me, or I said him. No, no, no. If you want to use an object pronoun with say, we need the preposition to. Toby said to Bruce. I said to him. But usually it is not necessary. It depends on the context. For both of these structures, we can use that, but again, it's not necessary. Then we transform our sentence into normal reported speech. Everything moves back one tense.
You told me that we were going to drink and play with your pet worms. You lied to me. You lied to me. What is Bruce doing here? Is he accusing, denying, suggesting, offering, recommending, advising, warning? Which one do you think it is?
Bruce is accusing. To accuse means to suggest someone did something bad. Lying is a terrible thing to do. Bruce accused Toby of lying. The grammar then is subject plus accuse plus object pronoun plus of plus gerund or ing form.
No, Bruce, I did not lie to you. How dare you? Yes, you did. Oh, Toby. Oh, me. What am I doing here?
Toby is denying something. To deny means to say something is not true when it actually is. Toby denied lying to Bruce. The grammar then is subject plus deny plus the gerund.
Well, you are stupid for denying doing it because you recorded the conversation for this video. Look. Well, okay, I did it. I lied to you, all right?
Finally, I am telling the truth. But what am I doing? Toby is admitting something. To admit means to be honest about something bad. Usually something bad you have done. Toby admitted to lying to Bruce. Toby admitted that he had lied to Bruce. Here we have two options. Subject plus admit, plus to, if you want, it's not necessary, plus the gerund. Or subject plus admit plus that plus reported speech, so everything goes back a tense.
Yep, I'm sorry for lying, Bruce.
So now what is Toby doing? Toby is apologizing. To apologize means to say sorry. Toby apologized to Bruce for lying. Subject plus apologize plus for plus the gerund.
Alright mate, but if you do it again, yeah, I will kill your pet worms. My worms? You wouldn't. I would, because I don't even like them. I just come to your house because you give me drinks. You know what I mean?
If you do it again, I will kill your pet worms. Terrible. What is Bruce doing? Bruce is warning. To warn someone means to inform someone of a possible danger. Here, the danger is Toby's pet worms dying. Oh no! You can warn someone to do something, or warn someone not to do something. Subject plus warn, plus object pronoun, plus not if it's negative, plus to plus the infinitive.
Okay, I won't do it again. I'll be honest, Toby, yeah? This betrayal has really hurt my feelings, and it's going to take me a long time to get over this. I guess what I really want to know is why, yeah? Why did you do this?
What is Bruce doing here? Bruce is asking. If you ask something, you say a question. Bruce asked Toby why he had done it. Subject plus ask plus the object pronoun plus a question word plus reported speech. A question word is what, who, where, why, when, where.
I only lied because I thought you wouldn't agree to a video. Well, obviously I don't want to do it. You've got 50 subscribers, no views, people are starting to laugh at you, and it's embarrassing for me. Yeah, of course they're laughing. I'm a funny guy. They're laughing at you. They're not laughing with you. What?
What is Toby doing? I only lied because I didn't think you would agree to a video. Toby is explaining. Now we have two options. Toby explained to Bruce why he had lied. Toby explained to Bruce that he had only lied because he hadn't thought Bruce would agree to a video. The first is subject plus explain plus to Bruce, if you want to clarify who the speaker was talking to, plus a question word plus reported speech. Here Toby is explaining his reasons with because, so we need the question word why. Or subject plus explain plus to Bruce plus that plus reported speech.
Okay, well, I won't do it again. From now on, you will not be in any more videos, Bruce. But what should I do to improve the channel? What can I do? Because you clearly know everything about running a channel, and I find it incredibly stressful. Turning on a camera, talking, my life is hard. Well, why don't you get someone more attractive to appear in your videos? Yeah? And change the channel name, change the logo, and change the editing style. Okay. Yeah, and get someone else to write them. So what would I do then? Nothing. That's the point. I think the problem with Smash English is you.
What is Bruce doing here? 3 of these reporting verbs describe it. Which 3? Suggest, recommend, and advise. Advise is formal, suggest is informal. Recommend is usually advice based on personal experience. but not always. So let's look at the grammar. Bruce advised getting someone more attractive to appear in the videos. Bruce suggested getting someone more attractive to appear in the videos. Bruce recommended getting someone more attractive to appear in the videos. So for all of these, we can use subject plus reporting verb plus gerund. We can also use that with should to talk about what was said in the past. Bruce advised that Toby should get someone more attractive to appear in the videos. Bruce suggested that Toby should get someone more attractive to appear in the videos, and Bruce recommended that Toby should get someone more attractive to appear in the videos. You get the idea. We can use to plus infinitive with advise and recommend, but not with suggest. Bruce advised Toby to get someone more attractive to appear in the videos. Bruce recommended Toby to get someone more attractive to appear in the video. We cannot do this with suggest.
So who should create a new name, design a new logo, write the scripts, film the videos, be in the videos, edit the videos, upload the videos? Well, I could do it if you wanted, but you said you hated making videos, Bruce. No, I didn't. I said I hated making videos with you. I could make Smash English great again. Not again, because it never was great. But I could make it great. So, what do you say? Hey?
Is Bruce reminding or offering? This one is obvious. Bruce is offering. To offer means to express a willingness to do something for someone else. I could take this channel and make it great again. Bruce offered to take the channel and make it great. Subject plus offer plus to plus infinitive.
Well, Bruce, that will not be necessary because thanks to you, we have just made a fantastic video about reporting verbs. Wait, what? Oh, you stupid fuck. And with that, we are finished. Now you know every single reporting verb for the B2 First Cambridge exam. What? Toby, we haven't done remind. Don't worry, Toby. I have everything under control. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below.
Toby reminded everyone to smash that like button. Subject plus remind plus object pronoun plus to plus infinitive. Time for a drink.
My name is Toby and this was Smash English. Now, I'm not doing this. Why am I wearing a microphone?